Hey guys, it's Morgan. So I have a tip for you guys. So if your headphones are broke, you can put them back together. See, mine basically snapped in half. But I know the perfect way to put them back together. It may not work all day, but it'll at least work for a couple minutes. But what you have to do is see this black part and see this hole. See that hole right there? Gotta turn it to where you can put it back together. So just push the black part in the hole, like so, and see your headphones are back to normal. I mean, it may not work forever, but it'll work for a couple minutes. So, thanks for watching. Bye.